Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Hope Higher Secondary School and College Mirwa Gorshani. This is me Muhammad Zubair, MSc Mathematics. In this video lecture, we will do derivation of distance formula. Let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 be the coordinates of 2 points on the coordinate plane. Draw two lines parallel to both the x-axis and y-axis as shown in figure through P and Q. Here you can see point P x1 y1, point Q x2 y2, point Q to T y2 minus y1, point P to T x2 minus x1. Thus, triangle PTQ is right angled at T. PT is equal to base, QT is equal to perpendicular, and PQ is equal to hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, PQ whole square equal to PT whole square plus QT whole square. PQ whole square is equal to, as we know, PT whole square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus QT whole square equal to y2 minus y1 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, PQ is equal to radical x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Hence, the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is radical x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is distance formula or distance between 2 points. Formula. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.